Welcome back, everybody. We have another set of lights. I like the ones in the Chevy so much. We got a set for the Ford. We're shooting on the Faux Pro, not the GoPro, the Faux Pro. We got another set of gloves here. Moving on, 9007s. We have more instructions and the two lights. Let's check them out. Come on. This is different than the other ones, isn't it? The light can only come out the sides. We have no bag full of O-rings like the last one, so I guess we don't need those. And it's yeah. It's aluminum. That's all metal. Alright, so I haven't taken the bulbs out of the truck yet. We're going to do that in a minute. But I figured we would go for a ride and see what they look like, the stock ones. Okay, now that you see that the stock ones are horrible, I grabbed, and those I think were the Silver Stars. I grabbed this out of my storage. I think this is one of the ones that I took out. One of the ones that I took out when I put the Silver Star Ultras in. So I have my power supply set up. Switch there. I have an amp meter set up. Yes, I've got the low beams for the Chevy here as well. So we're going to be doing those in the next video. So let's turn it on and see what it draws for amperage. See how bright it is. That is 4.7, settling on 4.73. I'm going to go with low beams again, I think. We'll find out, right? Okay, it goes from 509 on startup to we're down to 47. I saw as low as 472. Okay, now we're going to try. This should be high beams. Nope, this is low beam. 4.23. 4.24, and we're smoking again. And if that blows up, it'll blow up in my face. So that's enough of that. So low beam is on the left, high beam is on the right. Let's try our new bulbs. See what this one does for brightness and amperage. 2.05, and I'd say it's a little bit brighter than the other one. Now we're down to 1.9, 1.89, 1.88. 8.7. The amperage is actually going down. I feel a vibration in here too, like there might be a fan. 8.3, 8.2. 1.81. Do LEDs get more efficient as the temperature goes up? 1.79. Okay, let's try the high beams. This was vibrating quite a bit in my hand. I'm not exactly sure why. Now this should be the high beam. Let's try that. Holy moly. 1.82. 1.78. Vibrating again as well. Housing's getting a little warm now too. 1.8. They're both 1.8. It's an odd, it's a very odd sensation in your hand. I don't see a fan in there. There's got to be something in there because it was shaking. Interesting. Alright, well, let's put them in the truck. Get you in there so you can see it. There's a ring on the back of that light right here. You just twist that, and this whole thing comes out, and you fight with it outside the truck. All right. Take them out. You just release this clip. It should pop out like that. Now we'll stick the new one in. I swear I'm a magnet for noise. New ones, frame. I can't even see, it's so bright out here. There's one bulb in. On the stock one from the same angle. Okay, just as we did with the Chevy, I want you to see the difference in the color between the two lights. By the naked eye, this one is very white and that one is more yellow. I need to re-aim them a bit, definitely, but... Okay, it's the next morning. I figured I'd do the outtake in the truck. I am up against the garage door and I'm ready to align my headlights, which apparently is still a little bit too low, as you could see in that video. But the bulbs, I've noticed a couple things with the bulbs. One, they come on super bright, draw more, and then they taper down, as we saw on the meter and when I first turned them on last night, aimed across the street. So that's a little weird. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but overall they do produce a lot more light, and I'm happy with them. So if you would like to buy a set for your truck or your car or whatever, there is a link in the description and I will get you 15% off your order if you use that link. So thank you for watching. Thank you for staying this far. Hopefully you've subscribed and turned notifications on. And I will see you in the next one, where we will be doing, hopefully, either Model T stuff or the low beams on the Chevy. Thank you. Good night.